Hey everyone, welcome back to Stranosoft Insight, your go-to channel for everything AWS and cloud computing. In today's videos, I'm going to show you how to automate your backups using Amazon S3 and lifecycle policies. If you're a business owner or a cloud architect looking to manage your storage cost effectively, this video is for you. So let's dive right in. First, we will start by creating a new S3 bucket to store our backups. If you are not familiar, Amazon S3 is a scalable object storage service, perfect for storing backup files and large data sets. So here, how you create a bucket. So first one, log into your AWS account and head over to the S3 dashboard. So once you are in, click the create bucket button, enter the bucket name, something unique. I will call business backups one. So select a region that's closest to you or your users. My region is like US, Ohio. So US is one. So keep all the default settings for now, making sure to keep the bucket private for security reasons. So finally click create bucket and we are done. Now we have dedicated space for storing our backups. Okay. So next, let's upload some files to simulate the backups you would store. So this can be anything, your documents, database exports, or media files. I'm selecting some of images files. So first one, go to your bucket we just created and click the upload button. Select some files of your local computers. I have got few images. So here I will use as an example. Then hit upload. And just like that, our files are now safely stored in S3. Okay, so now comes the exciting part. We will set up a lifecycle policy to automatically manage these backups. This will help us move files to a cheaper storage tier. So as they get older and eventually delete them after a certain time period. So here how it set it up. So in bucket, go to the management tab and click create lifecycle rules and name your rules. I'm calling mine auto backups one. So choose whether this rule applies to the entire bucket or a specific folder. I'm going to apply to it entire bucket. Now let's set up a transition rules. So for example, like we can move our files to infrequent access storage class after 30 days. This is a great for backups that are rarely accessed but need to be kept for compliance. And after that, let's move them to the Glacier for a long-term archiving after 90 days. So Glacier is much cheaper, perfect for backups we don't need to access frequently. So lastly, let's add an expiration rule to delete the files after 365 days. So this ensures that old backups are automatically removed. So helping us avoid unnecessary storage costs. So once everything is set, hit the create rule. And now that our lifecycle policy is in place, so S3 will automatically handle everything. So depending on our setup, so after 30 days, your files will move to infrequent access, and after 90 days, they will move to Glacier. So to verify, just go check back later and see the storage class changes. So you can also manually adjust the time for testing purpose. So if you need quicker results, so after a year the files will automatically be deleted and keeping your bucket clean and your cost down. And now if you want to added layer of protections, you can enable versioning on your bucket. This keeps old version of your bucket backups in case they get accidentally modified or deleted. So go to the properties tab of your S3 bucket. Under versioning, click enable. So you can even add a lifecycle policy specifically for those versions, moving older version to Glacier, so or deleting them after a certain time period. So what are the use cases for businesses and why is this useful for business? So first one is a cost efficiency. By using lifecycle policies, businesses can reduce cost by automatically moving data to cheaper storage class like Glacier for a long-term archiving. Second one is automation. So the best part is once the policies are in place, everything is automated, no manual intervention is needed. And third one is a compliance. So you can also ensure your backups are stored for the required amount of time without overpaying the storage. So that's it for today's tutorial on automating backups of Amazon S3 and lifecycle policies. This is an essential technique for businesses looking to manage data effectively while keeping cost under control. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Stranosoft Insights, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all things AWS on cloud computing. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.